My name's Cathy from 123Vietnamese.com.
Welcome to lesson 10. Have a meet with college.
Wow, it's a very impressive building.
Hi Cathy, xin chào, lâu quá không gặp.
Hi Alex, xin chào. Tony, let me introduce you. She is my colleague, Alex. He is from our marketing department. He also works in our team. Alex, this is Tony. Tony just includes in our open office a couple days ago. Today he is here to help us work our projects.
Xin chào, tôi là Alex.
Xin chào.
Tôi làm ở phòng marketing. Đây là danh thiếp của tôi.
Come on.
Oh, my apologies. I never asked if you can speak Vietnamese.
I can speak a little Vietnamese.
Grace, how do you know it?
Do you remember last summer when I was working in London's office for 2 months? Tony was in there at the same time too.
Okay, I remember it exactly. How you ever meet Jack yet?
No, who is Jack?
He is the project manager. I'm planning meet him this week.
I have to go. It's nice to meet you, Tony. See you, Cathy.
Cathy, teach me what Alex said in Vietnamese.
Sure. First, he says, lâu quá không gặp, which means long time no see. Lâu here means for long time. Quá, it means is too or very.
So, lâu quá means very long time.
You already know không means not and gặp means to see. So this means no see, không gặp.
Okay, so lâu quá không gặp means long time no see. Okay?
Exactly, it's a very common way to greet somebody that we haven't seen for a while. So, lâu quá không gặp means long time no see.
Okay, I guess that's something I have to remember. Không gặp means not see.
Alex also said that tôi là Alex. This means my name is Alex.
So, when I meet people, I can say tôi là Tony.
Yes, that's right. Alex says tôi làm ở phòng marketing, which means I'm working in marketing department. You already know ở, which means to be at. When talking about places, here he says tôi ở means I'm in. Marketing is the same and also has the same meaning as in English. Phòng, which means department. Làm means to work. I know that's going to be your favorite word since you are a hard worker.
So, if I put it all together, tôi làm ở phòng marketing means I'm working in marketing department. He gave me his business card. Then he said, "Đây là dàn tiếp của tôi." I know "đây là của tôi" means this is mine.
So, the only news word for you here is danh thiếp.
It's no need to tell me. I figured it out by myself. Dàn tiếp means business card.
Well done. You are starting to learn Vietnamese without me now. It's very common for people to exchange business cards when they meet at the first time. Having good contact is a key to do business in Vietnam.
Oh, I should make some business cards for myself. But is Alex his real name? It doesn't sound very Vietnamese.
Of course not, but it's common for staff in international companies to have an English name. It makes them easier to deal with the colleagues or clients from outside Vietnam.
So Jack is the project manager. What's the word for project manager in Vietnamese?
Project in Vietnamese is dự án. Managers in Vietnamese is người quản lý. So, project managers is người quản lý dự án.
Okay, so I can say Jack là người quản lý dự án. Jack is the project manager.
Alex is marketing manager. How could you say that?
Alex là người quản lý marketing.
Yes, that's right. You can put marketing with người quản lý to say marketing manager.
Okay, so how many people are in the project team?
Nhóm có 8 người. The team has 8 people. You will meet the rest of the team soon enough.
Nhóm is the new word for me. I assume that means team.
Yes, nhóm is the word for team in Vietnamese. Có, you already know, means to have. And 8 người, you should recognize it means 8 people.
Okay, so you said the team has 8 people. I hope to see them soon then.